All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. We got ourselves a W on the road, moving on to 6-8. Let me tell you something right now. I am very disappointed we couldn't do something like this earlier on the season. Congratulations to Mitch Trubisky. You didn't go out there and screw it up. You didn't throw all kinds of interceptions, things of that nature. You played very poised, and you did enough to get us the W. Now, Najee Harris, good running out there. Way to finish in the end zone as always. Deontay Johnson had his best game of the season. George Pickens, much crucial catches. The D-line, we showed up. TJ Watt, hey, best game of your season since week 1, or I should say your best game since you returned back from injury. That was a good performance that we had out there. Good performance. You want to know the only downside? Every single one of our opposition that we needed to lose, won. Everybody we needed to lose, won. Now, granted, I'm not even really thinking playoffs. So those slight optimism exists over there. We can sneak our way into that 7th seed, but we ain't talking about that right now. Where our only concern right now is winning out the remainder of the year. So the way that we played today, we played very poised, we played confident, we played with a sense of urgency. If we can do that for the remainder of the season, we can move on and close the season out 9-8. But we can only go one game at a time. We got Las Vegas next week on a Saturday. I would hope that we perform to the level necessary to win. There was a couple of cracks in our armor, but we did what needed to be done. However, I will say this. Defense, we need more splash plays. That's it. We got ourselves a W with defense. We need more splash plays. Interceptions here, forced fumbles there, fumble recoveries here. We just need a bit more splash plays. Offensively, we look all right. But where was this when we needed it earlier on in the season? Nevertheless, got ourselves a W. Celebrate today. We back to work on Monday. Bottom line, one game at a time, one day at a time. We can't control what everybody else is doing. We can only focus on us. If we go out there and we put out this kind of performance, moving forward, perhaps we can end the season 9-8. But we won't be looking towards week 18. We're looking towards week 16 right now. Celebrate today, have a shot, enjoy an adult beverage, perhaps, get on top of your woman, perform a little bit of coitus, whatever the case may be. We on to next Sunday, or I should say Saturday. Hands up in here. Steelers on 3, win on 6. 1, 2, 3, Steelers. 4, 5, 6, win. Good job, gentlemen. Good job.
In the past 2 weeks, I'm up 1745 on Underdog Fantasy, and I want you to win too.
But what are you waiting for? Click the link in my description and download the Underdog Fantasy app right now. And to make matters even better, users will receive a deposit match up to $100 if you use my code. If you put 100 in, they'll give you 100. You put 50, they'll give you 50. You put 20, they'll give you 20. You put 10, they'll give you 10. If that don't sound like a deal, I don't know what is.